Hello future IAS officers, welcome to Rathod's IAS Academy. Are you ready to start your preparation to clear this UPSC Civil Service examination to become an IAS officer? If yes, then we are excited to announce about our special program designed just for you. So we are going to offer 30 days of free demo classes on both online and offline platform. So in this program, you are going to get access to our premium coaching classes of UPSC Civil Service examination. So in this 30 days of free trial or free demo, you are going to have access to the lectures which are taken by highly expert faculty from Delhi. And you can access comprehensive study material which is prepared for this IAS examination, and you can participate in this interactive doubt clearing sessions. Don't miss this golden opportunity. So if you want to have the access to this demo classes, so please click the link which is given in description box and fill the details. And join this Rathod's IAS Academy today, and you can take the first step towards achieving your goal of becoming an IAS officer. Thank you so much.